Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials: controller, quality USB cable, and a free PC port. Plug the cable into the controller, then into the computer. Windows or Mac OS should detect hardware immediately. If drivers are required, install the manufacturer package now to ensure full feature support. Once done, verify device appears in Settings or Device Manager. This confirms the physical connection and prevents software surprises. Make sure battery or firmware doesn't block detection. Update firmware if prompted by the vendor utility. Now focus on software. Open Device Manager or System Information to confirm the controller is recognized. If it shows as unknown, install or update the official drivers. If it's recognized, proceed to calibration. Calibrate axes and dead zones in Windows game controllers or within Steam Big Picture so inputs are accurate. If games don't natively support the controller, use Steam Input or a mapping tool like DS4 Windows to translate inputs. Once configured, test with a simple controller diagnostic or a compatible game to ensure. Finish by testing the controller in an actual game and fine-tune sensitivity, dead zones, and button mappings until controls feel natural. If you encounter lag, disconnects, or misbehavior, switch to another USB cable or port and disable any Bluetooth adapters to rule out interference. Also reboot the PC and reinstall drivers if needed. The single most effective troubleshooting step is updating controller firmware and PC drivers. This often fixes compatibility quirks. If problems persist, consult diagnostics to identify whether hardware or software is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.